Hey YouTube, Legend NR here, and I'm going to show you how to do an inverted explosion. You're going to start out by drawing to mode graph, then mode text. Make your text. This is going to be for my buddy, so I'm going to name it something to do with him, probably his gamer tag. And I just had some fun here. A little bit of adjusting to make it right. It's a little preview of what my words are going to look like when they come together. Not bad. Just doing some repositioning here real quick. I'm actually using this for a friend, so it's not going to be a fast one. It looks pretty good. Just add some color to it, and you can do whatever you want. It's all optional when it comes to the colors. You're going to go to your bands tab and hit explosion. It'll be a little bomb. What you really want to do is you want to hit the keyframing button in the middle one. You're going to go to your first one, change your percentage to 100. Then you're going to move it down. You need to adjust the speed right here to be a more average speed one. Here would be a faster speed. I'm going to go about 40 because it's a decent speed. You're going to change this to 0. And now you just drag your explosion into your mode text. And then you check it out to see if it all worked. Just showing you all that worked in this part. A little playthrough for you. Yeah, so that's it. So peace out, YouTube. If you're new here, subscribe to my top left, that's me. Subscribe to the top right, that's my clan. And then my latest video is right here, so open up and check it out.